Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Leslie. I am here today to do a little social studies lesson with you. One of our books that we read in class before we left was Whistle for Willie. This story, if you don't remember, was about a little boy named Peter that was trying to learn how to whistle to call his dog Willie. Today we're going to do a little activity with this story, but we're going to talk about doing street signs and safety signs. I have a question for you. Peter liked to play on the sidewalk during the story. He did not play in the street. But why do you think he played on the sidewalk? You're right. It might be kind of dangerous to play in the street. The sidewalk is a lot safer because there are no cars around, and that is a lot easier for us. And I want to show you some street signs that I have made. I have this one right here. I know everyone has seen this sign before. What does this sign mean? You're right, it means stop. Stop what you're doing, stop the car, and you have to look both ways before you can go anywhere. I know all my friends in kinder should know what this sign means. We see this sign all the time. This is the railroad crossing. We all know about the railroad tracks and the trains. This means there's a railroad track and that you have to stop and make sure the train is not coming. Also, this one, do you know what this one means? This one says, do not enter. Whether it's going the wrong way or it might be a place that's dangerous for us, you do not go into a place that says, do not enter. This one we also see by the school. This one has two people walking. This one means that people are crossing the street. It's a school crossing. You might see a crossing guard also. I have a yield sign, which is kind of like our stop. This one, complete stop. This one's the yellow, yield, you slow down. What I want to do today is talk about ways to be safe while we're playing outside. I know these days we're not at school, so we are playing outside a lot more and closer to streets. I want you all to be safe so we can see you again soon. And so I want you to be aware of the signs and the safety of playing outside. So if you want, we have to remember to look both ways before crossing a street. You want to be aware of all your street signs and what they mean. If you do not know what it means, please ask your mom or dad or somebody near you. When you're crossing the street, only use the zebra crossing. That is the black and white striped lines. So my activity for you is to go outside and look for a street sign. It could be any street sign that you see. And I want you to talk to mom about why we have that sign and why it is safe for us. Also, you can post below if you draw a picture of a sign that you create. It could be one that you see, or you can make up your own safety sign, or take a picture of you next to a street sign and send it to us and tell us how you're being safe. Also, if you do not remember Whistle for Willie, or if you would like to hear it again, you could also Google Read Aloud Whistle for Willie and they will show you the story. Can't wait to see you again. Miss you guys. Bye.